Hello everyone, I am Masih Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 15 part 3 with Android's Bluetooth. Okay guys, in this video we're going to use from Android device Bluetooth. We're going to make this app to turn on, turn off, analyze the pair devices of the device. Okay, create a new project of Android and what 3 button, turn on, turn off, analyze devices, and with a list view to show the pair devices, and a text view. I've created this layout, and now in main activity we need to access those buttons. There's a button on, turn on, button turn off, and the button of list. Okay guys, now in here we need a list view. Okay guys, we need the Bluetooth adapter. Here is the Bluetooth adapter, and we need a set of Bluetooth pair devices. A set with Bluetooth devices, and paired devices. Okay guys, now in here Bluetooth adapter is equal to Bluetooth adapter to get default Bluetooth adapter. Okay guys, now in here the list view. Here's the list view is equal to list view, find view by ID or not ID dot list view. Okay guys, now these buttons, button turn on is equal to button find view by ID, button 1, button turn on, that's set on click listener, new on click listener, turn on Bluetooth. Okay, now when the second button turn off is equal to button and find view by ID or .id dot second button, and then here button turn off, that's set on click listener, new on click listener, and then here button list is equal to button Okay, now in here we need an intent is equal to new intent, and here Bluetooth adapter dot request enabled. And now start activity for result. Here is the intent and the request code is 0. Just check if is enabled. If it's not enabled, if the Bluetooth is not enabled, we should enable the Bluetooth. The toast message that make text, and it's the main activity dot this and turn else. Make a toast message, not make text. Already on. And now for turn off, here's the Bluetooth adapter, not disable, and a toast message. Okay, now in here, pair devices is equal to Bluetooth adapter dot get bonded devices. And now in here we need an array list. Here is the array list. List is equal to new array list. Sorry guys, array list. Okay, now we need a for loop for pair devices. Here is the Bluetooth device. Here is the pair devices, and now in here list dot add Bluetooth devices dot get name. Here's the get name, and now in here we need an array adapter. Array adapter is adapter is equal to new array adapter. The first parameter is the context, inactivity.this. The second parameter is Android dot r dot layout dot symbol list item 1, and this third parameter is the list of devices. And now in here list view dot set adapter. Here is the adapter, and here we need a toast message, toast dot make text, the main activity dot this, and this in here showing devices, showing pair devices. Okay guys, now we need to use the Android permission and Android manifest, and here use the permission, Android dot permission dot Bluetooth. We need this permission, and use permission. We need another one, Bluetooth admin. Okay guys, now let's finish on run the app. Okay, and here we can turn on the Bluetooth. An application is requesting permission to turn on the Bluetooth. Hello, yes. And the Bluetooth is turned on, and you can turn off the Bluetooth using this button. Turn off and turn on again, yes. And list of paired devices. These are the devices that are paired with my phone. Okay, this is how to use from Android device Bluetooth in your application. Thank you for watching and share the video.